Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Today, a real quick video. So if you drive a 2001 to 2008 Volvo, well, chances are that you have a climate control system similar to this. There were a few models that had manual climate control, but very few. And these automatic climate control systems work okay, but the bulbs do tend to go out. You'll lose your backlit illumination, so at night it can be very difficult to figure out what's going on. Now, this is quite an expensive fix if you take it to the dealer. The bulbs are something like $24 a piece, and I'm sure they charge probably, I'm going to guess, 8/10 to an hour in labor. It takes about 2/10 of an hour. That would be less than 20 minutes. And the bulbs can be had for less than $2 for enough to replace all these lights through Chinese vendors on eBay. So let's go ahead. I'll show you how simple it is. First thing you're going to want to remove is this. Now, you'll notice on mine, some of this stuff's already broken. Volvo plastic is notorious for having issues. This one is no different, but you're just going to pry that up and out and slide it out of the way. And as you can see, mine is missing, but there should be, and it's a little difficult to see down there, but there should be a screw there and a screw there. Those are going to be T25 Torx bits like this one here. Hey, look at that. Your Volvo toolkit includes the right tool to remove it. But in order to get this thing out of here and unplug, you are going to have to turn on your key and put your car back down into a lower gear. And that'll allow you to slide it out, slide it forward. Once you do so, you have two rather large green plugs, 1 and 2, and a smaller green plug right now. You actually don't need to take that one out. Leave that one in. But you do need to undo your cigarette lighter attachment right there. And there we are. Now we can go to the bench and replace all those little teeny bulbs. Let's do it. All right. Well, here we are on the bench. Didn't take any time. As you can see here, a little easier to see. This is where your tabs would be for your Torx heads bits, that go, or your Torx head screws that go into there. Broken long ago, very cheap plastic. That's just a trademark of Volvo quality back in this era of cars. The 2001 to 2008, the S60s, the V70s, cross countries, and even the C70s all had some issues with plastic durability. Anyway, we're going to flip this thing over, and you can see right here, there's another one tucked in there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bulbs that we can replace, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So I'll go ahead and lay that down, and I don't think there's any part number on this, possibly that, but these are the bulbs that I ordered off of eBay from China. Instrument lamp is, not a lot to it. I actually have had these for quite a while, just not gotten around to doing it, but let's go ahead and open it up. We'll pour these out on the table. And they're quite small. As you can see, they're relatively teeny. And we're going to go ahead and unscrew these and check it out. So there are our bulbs, and we're going to be replacing them hopefully. You see that down in there? They're a little smaller than the stock ones, but they'll fit. These are interchangeable. Go ahead and pull another one out. And getting them in there, you just kind of drop it down the hole. And turn it to lock it, right? And we'll just continue that process. This last one can be a little tricky. That's it. Not a lot to it. As you can see, many of these are burned out. They got that silvery look to them. Looks like we had one that was good. We had two that were good. The rest of them were burned out. So this will really help. I haven't been able to see what's going on. I leave early in the morning. I can't see anything. So it's been kind of frustrating. I thought there was one there, but that actually is for the fan. And that one's built in a different section there. So let's hope that one's not bad. But either way, if it is, the LED bar graph here is still there, so I can kind of go by that. Let's go ahead and reinstall it. All right, so reinstalling this is as simple as taking it out. Got your two plugs here and your cigarette lighter plug right there. Go ahead and do that and we'll check this thing out. Hopefully I'll be able to see my climate controls in the winter. And it's a little hard to see, probably impossible to see. I don't know if I can turn the brightness up. No, that's about as bright as you're going to get it, but there it is. It's installed, it works. I'll put this little cover plate. It's actually holding up the camera right now. And that's it. I mean, straightforward, easy to get the parts. Might as well go ahead and get her done, you know what I mean? Anyway, that's it. I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed this quick educational video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint.